This North Mountain Supply fermenting jug set provides 4 sturdy 1-gallon glass vessels with molded handles that make lifting and pouring far more secure than smooth-sided carboys. Each jug arrives with a correctly sized rubber stopper, a 2-piece airlock, and a tight sealing plastic cap, so you can move from preparation to fermentation without hunting for extra hardware. The clear glass makes it easy to monitor yeast activity, sediment levels, and clarity, which is especially helpful when dialing in new beer, wine, or kombucha recipes. With 4 matching jugs, home brewers can run parallel small batch experiments, test different fruit additions, or maintain a dedicated jug for sanitizer solution or yeast starters. The glass construction does not retain odors or flavors, so you can switch between beverage styles without worrying about lingering aromas. Being manufactured in the United States and backed by a straightforward replacement policy if damaged in transit adds confidence that the set is built and supported for long-term home brewing use.